college families. I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're all keeping safe. I'm Coach Erin from ZweZwe Sports and I miss you guys loads and loads. I hope you guys are managing to keep busy at home while having lots of fun. But don't worry, because we're going to have lots and lots of fun today. So on episode 9, we're going to be doing a full body workout together. Okay, so you only need 2 things. You need your water bottle. As always, we always need to have our water bottle when we're doing any activity. And number 2, we need lots of energy. Okay, so I want you guys just to make sure you've got lots of energy. Grab all of it. Grab all of it around. Grab all of it around. There we go. Awesome stuff. And I want everyone to go like this. We're going to start off by stretching. Okay, like we always need to start off by stretching and warming up before we do sports. Okay, so let's open up. There we go. And I want you guys to take one hand and we're going to go put our hand on each of our feet. So you're going to put one hand on this foot and one hand on the other foot. Keep your legs straight. Keep your toes pointed forwards. And let's go down. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. There we go. And let's stretch up to the sky. Up to the sky. And back down to your toes. On each toe. There we go. Keep those legs straight. And let's stretch up to the sky for coach. Okay. Now we're going to do front, middle, back. Okay. So like when we do ole, we're going to go like this. Front, middle, and back. Alright? Coach is going to keep his legs straight and our feet facing forwards. Okay? So let's go front, middle, and back. And again, front, middle, back. And front, middle, back. And again, one. There we go. And front, middle, back. Good job. And let's go one more. Front, middle, and back. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Alright. What I want us again, keep your legs open. And now we are going to do opposites. So we're going to take this hand and we're going to go down to our opposite foot. And then we're going to take this hand and go to the opposite foot. And up. And opposite. And up. And again down. Keep your arms nice and straight. Keep your legs straight. And down. And touch. And other one. And let's go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And shake it out for coach. Shake it out. Okay, now that our body's a little bit more awake, I want to see our reaction. So we're going to test our brain. Okay, so you guys need to follow on. Listen carefully. Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your shoulders. And crisscross. Nice. Put your hands on your elbows. Put your hands on your knees. And crisscross. There we go. And put your hands on your shoulders. And crisscross. And take both hands, put them on one knee. And both hands on the other knee. And put your hands up in the sky, on your head, on your shoulders, on your elbows, and shake it out for coach. Okay, I think the mind's a little bit more awake. Hopefully you guys listen nice and carefully. So now we're going to go into the warming up, okay? So to start off, we're just going to jog on the spot. So just jog, and let's jog around in a circle. Make sure you don't knock anything over. Jog around in a circle. There we go. Keep jogging, keep jogging, keep jogging. There we go, awesome, awesome. There we go, keep going in your circle. Nice, boys and girls. And I want you guys now to bounce up and down for coach. So however you feel comfortable, just bounce up and down, up and down. There we go. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing. Okay, now coach wants to see if you can listen while bouncing. Okay, so we're going to carry on bouncing. And I want you guys to put your hands on your head. Keep bouncing on your shoulders, on your tummy, on your bum, on your shoulders, and crisscross, and on your ears, and crisscross, and put your arms out wide, and put them up, and forward. Here we go. Excellent, guys, excellent. Okay, now, like we had our hands on our bum, we're going to put them on your bum, and we're going to kick our bum in a circle. So we're just going to kick your bum like this for coach, all the way to your hands. In a circle, let's go. In a circle. Nicely done. Keep your hands. Not too hard. There we go. Awesome stuff, guys. Guys, go grab some water. Let's have a little bit of water. There you go. Well done, you're doing very well. Okay, now we're going to go into upper body. So we're going to be strong up here. Okay, so all of this is going to be our upper body. Alright? So what I want us to do first is going to put your hands out in front. Go choop, like this. In front.
And we are going to keep them straight, and we're just going to make little circles in front of us like this for coach. So look, coach's arms are straight, just little circles. Just let's go, little circles, keep going, little circles. Awesome. And put your arms up, put them straight up, and let's make little circles up here. Make little circles up there. There we go. Keep those circles going. Keep them going. Well done, well done. And back in the front, and keep circles. Make the circles. Good job. Good job. And I want you guys now to go. There we go. Now, we're going to flap our wings. So we're going to make our arms straight. And we're going to go up. Flap them as high as you can, and down. And flap as high. And we're going to see if we can fly. So keep your arms straight. And start off slowly. And then we can get a little bit faster. And a little bit faster. And it should start hurting your shoulders. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Awesome. And relax. Here we go. Okay, guys. Now, what we need to do is we're going to practice some balance. Okay, so we always need to make sure we know how to balance. So what I want coach to do, what I want everyone to do, bend your leg at your knee and make a flamingo at the back. Like this. Stand like a flamingo on one leg and balance for coach. Balance. Balance. There we go. And let's go over to the other leg. So put the other one down and pick it up at the knee. Bend your knee and balance for coach. Good job. Are you guys ready to make it a bit more difficult? Okay. So what I want us to do is while balancing like this, we're just going to hop up and down. Keep your arms out so you can stay balanced and go up and down on that foot. Up and down. There we go. Up and down. And let's go over to the other one. Balance again. Flamingo. Whoops. And let's go up and down. Up and down. Here we go. Good job. Good job. Awesome. And let's go feet together. Zoop. Nice. Okay, what we're going to do now, I want you guys to stand shoulder width apart. So put your feet the same width as your shoulders. Okay? So nice and open for coach. Now we're going to pretend we have butterfly wings. Okay? So butterfly wings are going to go all the way around and all the way down. But most importantly, I want us to keep our feet forward. And when we go down, we're going to bend our knees so that our bum goes to where our knees are. Okay, so we're going to flap down and up. And coach is bending his knees down, getting all the way to the floor and up as high as you can. And down, all the way to the floor and up. And keep your bum going down each time. Bend those knees and let's fly like a butterfly. Let's go. Let's go. There we go, there we go. Well done, well done. Let's go, one more. Whoa. Be careful, don't fly away, don't fly away. Okay, hope you guys are ready. So, now we're going to sit on our bum. Sit on your bum. And we are going to go like this. Put your hands behind you. Facing forwards. Sit in the sit-up position. And now we're going to pick up the middle of our body. Okay, so pick up the middle of your body. Awesome. And we're going to go sideways like a crab. So a crab walks sideways. So I want to see you guys walk sideways. And then let's walk back the other way. Walk back the other way. And again, keep your stomach up. Keep your tummy up for coach. And let's go back to the other side. Awesome. Awesome. And sit on the floor for coach. Sit on the floor. There we go. I want you to put your feet out. Put your feet out. Put your arms up in the sky. And lean back a little bit for coach. Lean back a little bit. Not to the floor, just a little bit. And arms out. And forwards. And up. And lean back a bit more. And out. And forwards. And up. Good job. I want everyone in the push-up position. So go around. Now we're going to do push-ups. So take your hands. Shoulder width. You're going to put them down. And we're going to make our back straight on our feet and our hands. Okay? Now, we're going to pretend we're climbing a mountain. So we're going to bring our leg up to our chest and down. And the other one up to your chest and down. And then you're going to go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. And let's go nice and fast up the mountain. Keep climbing up that mountain. Bring your knees all the way to your chest. And then kick it out. There we go. And stand up, guys. Well done. Well done. Go grab some water. I'm sure we need it. Coach definitely needs it. Go grab your water. Okay. Now, next thing, we're going to pretend to be a dead bug. So, I want you to lie on your back. Lie on your back. And we are going to stick our arms up like a dead bug. And we're going to bring our knees up. So can you see Coach's knees are bent? They went from the floor up to there. Okay, keep your arms up. And what we're going to do is we're going to lower our knees to the floor and bring our knees to the chest. And go knees to the floor and bring them up to your chest and down. Keep your hands up. Keep your knees bent and up to your chest and down. And again, up to your chest and down. And one more, up to your chest and down. Awesome. Okay, keep your legs out straight for Coach. Make them straight. Make them straight. Okay, now we're going to clap. So, I want you guys to clap under this leg and then clap at the top. And then clap under the other leg. And then at the top. And under and up. And under and up. Keep picking your leg up. Clap at the top and under your leg. And at the top and under the other one. And under and under. Let's see. Try and go a little bit faster. Watch Coach. He's going under, up, under, up, under. And a little bit faster. There you go. There you go. Well done, boys and girls. Well done. I want you guys to jump up for me. Jump up and let's jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. There we go. There we go. Well done. Well done. Moms and dads, if you guys could send Coach some photos. I miss everyone a lot, so I'd really appreciate seeing them do the activities. That'll be awesome. Let's keep going. Keep jogging, guys. Keep jogging. Keep jogging and let's bounce up and down again. Bounce. Bounce however you want to bounce. Keep bouncing. Keep bouncing. And let's bounce around the room. Bounce around in your circle. Watch out. Just bounce. Just bounce. 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 Just go. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And let's go. Zoop. Open your legs for Coach. There we go. Now we're going to do crisscross. So we're going to go from here and we're going to cross our legs. And we're going to open them. And cross them. And open. And across. And open. And across and open. And we're going to go a little bit faster. Just go across and open. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep on going. Well done. Well done. And stop for Coach. Okay, now watch Coach from the side. Next one we're going to do is called scissors. Okay, so you're going to stand with one foot in front of the other one, like this, and both feet facing forwards. Okay, both your feet are facing forwards. And then we're going to swap legs. Okay, so now this one's in front and that one's at the back. And we change again, and again, and again, and again. And then we're going to go a little bit faster, little bit faster, little bit faster. And let's go. Well done, well done. Keep going, keep going. There we go, and go grab some water for Coach. Go grab your water, have a couple sips, take some deep breaths. Let's go in, and out, and in, and out. There we go. Okay, I want you guys to take your hands, put them on your head, put them on your shoulders, and let's go zoop. And I want us to lean down to one side for Coach. Lean down, keep this arm up, and let's go to the other side. Other side, lean over, lean sideways, don't fall over, and up to the other side, and back to the other one. There we go. And what I want us to do is kick it out. And let's go up to the sky. Up to the sky as high as you can go, touch the clouds. And down to your toes. Don't bend your knees. Keep your knees straight. And up to the sky. There we go. Boys and girls, you guys did awesome in episode 9. I'm very proud of how you guys did. I would love to see you guys in episode 10, so please come back. Moms and dads, please, will you guys subscribe or just give us a like or a comment? I'd really appreciate that a lot. Guys, thank you for the support. I want you guys to remember, look after yourselves, brush your teeth, and be very,
very active.